Hi, today we'll learn how to distort the video in Kdenlive. So for example, we have here this video. If I want to edit it, I need to drag and drop this video to the timeline, and after that I need to select it and I need to go to Effects tab. Now on the search field, I need to type Distort. Then you will see here this one option. Of course, you can find this option manually in the Transform, Distort and Perspective settings. So now if I want to add it to my video, I need to drag and drop this one effect to our video. And now on the Effects and Composition stack settings, we can find Distort effect. We can modify here amplitude, frequency and velocity. For example, I can increase the amplitude, I can increase the frequency, and I can increase or decrease the velocity. Everything depends on your preferences. And after that, if I will play my video, I will be able to see here the effect of Distort, yeah? So in this way, you can add this effect to your video in Kdenlive. If I helped you to do it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it's of your problem.